Camels, nature's ultimate desert survivors. But did you know these fascinating creatures are more than just desert wanderers? Let's start with their iconic humps. Camels don't store water here, they store fat. This gives them energy to survive for weeks without food. Bactrian camels with 2 humps are built for the cold deserts of Central Asia, while dromedaries with 1 hump thrive in hot deserts. Camels are built for survival. They can close their nostrils and have 3 eyelids to shield their eyes during sandstorms. They endure extreme temperatures, from blazing daytime heat to freezing nights. True desert warriors. When water is available, camels can drink up to 40 gallons in one go. Talk about rehydration. What's their diet? Tough desert plants, thorny bushes, and even salty shrubs. No problem for their tough mouths. Did you know camel milk is considered a superfood? It's rich in nutrients and is a staple for many desert communities. In some cultures, camel meat is a delicacy, offering lean protein and a unique flavor. For centuries, camels have been a lifeline for humans, carrying goods, providing food, and helping civilizations thrive in the harshest conditions. Did you know camels have a unique way of communicating? They grunt, moan, and even roar to express their emotions and communicate with their herd. Their wide, padded feet are perfectly designed to prevent them from sinking into the sand, making them efficient desert travelers. Camels are incredibly strong. They can carry up to 900 pounds of goods over long distances, making them vital for trade in desert regions. Camels can survive without drinking water for up to 2 weeks, thanks to their bodies conserving moisture efficiently. When they do drink, they can rehydrate in minutes. Camels aren't just for desserts. Bactrian camels thrive in cold climates, enduring temperatures as low as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Camels are more than just desert animals. They're a symbol of resilience, strength, and adaptability. From ancient trade routes to modern-day uses, camels have shaped human history like no other. What amazes you most about camels? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.